In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link. By the end, you'll have a shareable link you can send to anyone so they can join your online meeting, class, or quick catch-up without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Meet homepage. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Google account. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you're on the right one for the meeting you plan to host. You don't need to turn on your camera or microphone just to create a link, and you can do all of this from a desktop or laptop for the clearest view. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, look for the New Meeting button. Depending on your screen size, it might be near the top or toward the middle of the page. Go ahead and click it. This opens a small menu with a few options for how you want to start or prepare a meeting. Choose the option labeled Create a Meeting for Later. This is the key choice if you want a link you can share and use at a later time, without starting the call right now. It's different from starting an instant meeting, which puts you into a meeting immediately, and it gives you a clean, ready-to-share link without any pressure to join at that moment. Right away, Google Meet will display your new meeting link. You'll see a short message with a button to copy it, and it will look like a web address with a unique code at the end. Click Copy to add it to your clipboard. If you prefer, you can also select the entire link manually and copy it the usual way. Paste that link into an email, a chat message, or a calendar invite so everyone you want to meet with has exactly what they need to join. A few quick tips as you share. Let your guests know the date and time so they're ready to click the link at the right moment. If your organization has restrictions, participants outside your domain may need to request access, so plan to join a little early to admit people. If you're working with a large group, consider adding the link to a calendar event so it's easy for everyone to find. And that's it. Go to Google Meet and sign in, click New Meeting, choose Create a Meeting for Later, and then copy and share your link. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.